Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to view your comment history on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines and go to your activity. In this page, you will see an option that says comments and then click that. So as you can see at the moment, I don't have any comments yet since I created this account. So let me just comment on some random posts. And we're back in this page. So as you can see, all my comments are now visible in the comment section under activity. So you may try to filter or sort all your comments by their recency, by date of the post, by author. And you may also delete your comment by clicking at a specific comment. And then it will lead you to the post itself with your comment highlighted at first. And to delete your comment, just swipe your comment to the left and click the trash can icon. And if you go back to the comments, this page, the comment will now be gone. And that's how you can easily view your comment history on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!